you about ready to go?
Yes.
Awesome. Wait, what is Izzy doing?
Pushing all kinds of keys on the keyboard.
Izzy, are you going to Norman with us? Is that where we're going? Are you going to Norman with us? Are you going to Norman with us? It's just me and Sam going to Norman.
Frodo, you stop. I love you, baby. Alright, I wanted to fill up my water bottle, and I think I still will because I need to drink more water today.
So are we really for real ready?
Yes.
I'm driving.
Today is Saturday, July 8th, and me and Dylan are headed to Norman. We are gonna go shop around for a little bit, hopefully end up getting a dishwasher. We've needed one ever since we moved in, but we haven't bought one yet. So I've been washing dishes by hand for a whole year and a half.
Only you?
Only me. It's my job, I guess.
Who handles the yard work and laundry though?
You.
Who keeps the house clean?
Me.
Didn't mean to nervous,
Anyway, that's all we're gonna do. We're leaving a little late. I mean, not to me, but to Dylan, it's late. We're gonna go shopping, hopefully eat, and then get our dishwasher last. And that's it. I don't get to go to the city or Norman or anywhere that often because I've been working on the weekends. We've been short-handed at work. So today, I do have to work tomorrow, but today I don't, so we're gonna take advantage of it.
Alright, so Samantha and I were headed out of town, and we go through this small town called Verdon, and then you go through Chickasha, hop on interstate, get up to Norman, whatever. But check this out. We saw this huge field with all these sunflowers. They're all facing the exact same way, and so I wanted to get some pictures of Samantha. So that's what I'm doing. What all do you need to get in the mall?
I don't know. I'm just gonna kind of look around at some stuff.
I want you to take a picture of me wearing this, eating a bomb pop. Another bomb pop sighting. We're acting like we're going to Cancun or something soon, looking at these bathing suits.
Okay, we just left the mall. We stayed a long time actually, longer than I planned, but we got some good stuff. We haven't been shopping in a while, so we deserve it. Anyway, we are gonna head to eat, I guess. I'm gonna let Dylan pick. I kinda wanna go look at dishwashers first, but it's up to him, whatever. And that's it.
Well, we just got out of the mall, like Sam said. Now we're gonna go eat. Did we decide where we're going to eat?
No, I said you could pick, but he won't pick, so.
I said something, but you said no.
You said Ted's, and we can't have Ted's.
Why can't we have Ted's?
Because it's not part of a low-carb diet.
We decided on Logan's.
Do you think it's gonna rain?
No. Do you think it's gonna rain?
Yeah.
Logan's. The salad good? So Samantha and I decided to do this stupid keto diet, and we can't have any like carbs at all, so that's why there's no bread or anything like that. But her steak does look good. Is it good?
Yeah.
How good? We both ordered our steaks medium and check hers out. It's actually somewhat medium. Look at mine. It's just a step down from beef jerky. Target. Far from Logan's where we ate. Give my steak about a 3 out of 10.
A 3?
Yes. Like,
oh
did
yeah,
you not
yeah,
see
yeah,
it?
yeah. Yours was well done.
It was well done. Ordered it medium. That's like medium, medium well, and then well done.
I give mine about a 6 maybe out of 10. I really like Texas Roadhouse. I thought maybe Logan's would be similar, but nah.
Texas Roadhouse got them beat, but Nicholas Scafetta got them all beat.
Yes,
but
we missed Nick's.
Yeah, Nick's, they closed. So on the off chance that Nick, you watch these vlogs, we miss your wonderful food and your wonderful waitress. And we have your tenderizers, but it's just not the same. Yeah. So, anyways, I'm not sitting here trying to knock Logan's. It was good. Have really good food, but just kind of disappointed because they didn't, you know, they didn't cook it medium well. They cooked it well. I'm sorry. All right, let's just go in Target. People don't care anyways.
What is your deal?
I just got vaped in the face by them 2 people walking in a pace. I don't know what the deal is today, but obviously, or apparently, the theme is bomb pops. Just can't get away from them. One of these days we'll look back and be like, remember when fidget spinners were like the thing?
I know, huh? They're not even cool now.
This kind of stuff stresses me out. This is not Leonardo. No, you're not.
I don't know what this is, but we need this.
The cat game?
I want the cat game.
Yeah, no. Alright, are we leaving now?
Yeah.
Where we park at, bro?
Nowhere.
Best Buy, I mean, Lowe's or Home Depot?
Or Best Buy?
No, why would
we gotta go to all 3.
No, Best Buy doesn't have anything.
We are now headed to Best Buy to see what dishwashers they have. We need to hurry up and decide on one because we're running out of time and we really want to get one today because it's really convenient. Hey, there's Lowe's. I'm just trying to find the best deal out there for us. Completely different.
Yeah, it is a lot different.
It says $3.49, but it doesn't have like the time deal where it shows you.
Yeah, I don't like that one. Well, didn't really see one we were crazy about there. So now we're going to Best Buy.
It does look really dark over this way, but I don't think we're gonna get rained on. I thought we were, but I don't think.
How about you?
So we asked them if they had it in stock. They said no, but the one in Moore does. So we're gonna drive over there, pick it up, pick up the installation kit, and I guess do it ourselves. I don't know. Hopefully somebody can help us because it'll be cheaper for us.
I mean, I got it.